Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to fix Hamster Kombat unable to login issue. If you're having trouble logging into your Hamster Kombat bot, then there might be several reasons for that. But do not fret at all. This guide will explore the potential solutions to get you back into the game again. First of all, you will need to go ahead and verify your network connection. Ensure you have a stable internet connection. Turn on your Wi-Fi or your cellular data. And then, after getting connected to the internet, you can now go ahead and check for the app and device update. Open your App Store or your Google Play Store and search for Telegram. Once you have this application in the interface, tap on Update button if available. You also want to go check if your device is updated or not. Open the settings menu and then from the settings page, tap on General. Look for the software update button and tap on it. Check if there is an update available for your operating system. If there is one, you must first download the latest version of operating system on your device. Once you've ensured of that, the next thing you want to do is to clear out the app cache. Since Hamster Kombat can be played within Telegram, go ahead and open up the Telegram app first. Go to the main page of Telegram and then tap on Settings at the bottom right. Once you click Settings, from the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Data and Storage. Opening up the Data and Storage page will lead you to this interface. Go to the top of the screen and click on Storage Users. Click on Clear Entire Cache in blue and click on Clear Entire Cache again to confirm. Right after you do that, you will be able to clear out your Telegram app's cache. Also ensure that you have turned on necessary permissions such as contact, notifications, and so on. After you enable all of the required permission for the platform, get back to the chat screen and search for Hamster Kombat in the search box. And then click on the play button to get connected to Hamster Kombat bot. If nothing else works out, go ahead and delete your Telegram application and reinstall it again. Once you reinstall the Telegram app, try connecting to the Hamster Kombat bot again, and this time you might be able to fix your issue. So those were some of the fixes you could follow if you ever go through the Hamster Kombat not loading up or login in issue. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.